In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of emojis not showing on the iPhone keyboard. Sometimes, this problem can occur due to software glitches or incorrect settings on your device. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to troubleshoot this problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Keyboard. Then tap on the Keyboards option at the top. And then tap on the Add New Keyboard option. What you want to do next is tap on the search bar at the top and search for Emoji. Tap and select an emoji from the search results. Now emojis have been added to your iPhone keyboard, and you can start using a wide range of expressive emojis in your messages and texts. If these steps didn't solve your problem, try updating your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.